up. You guys will have to dance. Okay? And it's not no fast dancing just to go straight to the front tonight. You guys need to literally dance all the way down. If you want your gift card, go ahead and make your way. Let's see who's gonna be the first. It's okay if you guys don't want your gift card. We can give it away to your parents. Who wants a gift card? Okay. Alright, it looks like they're live. Open it up for us. All the way to Martina. Dance. That's not a dance. Dance right there, guys. Tell us about it. Okay, who's next? Come on. Come on, we're gonna keep playing songs until we get it. Everybody give a hand for Hot Saturday. Was the 21st birthday, got the chain on his neck. Alright, I'll trust you, Maya got gift cards. Well, awesome.
Oh yeah, I'm trusting.
Keep dancing. Okay, we still got going. We got Nara going. We got Big West. And Nana going. Let's go, baby, all the way to tonight. Alright. You guys don't want to get cards? Okay. Come on, middle school, high school. That's the only way you're getting your gift card is if you dance. Okay. We're gonna get the DJ and keep playing songs. So far, we only got 5 out of 60. Okay? If you don't want a gift card, like I said, you are not getting a gift card unless you got all the way to tonight. So you guys have to dance. We're gonna turn off a little bit of the lights, make it a fun scene here for you guys. Okay, after night. Come on, kids, you guys gotta dance. You shouldn't dance only when the lights are off, okay? Don't be shy. This is family. I want to do it. Everything comes out in the light. Don't be shy. That's in the light. We're not in the dark. We're in the light. So turn on all the lights and just dance. You don't have to dance. You don't have to have fancy dance moves. Just dance your way here, get your card, and have a Merry Christmas. Amen, Tina. Kids, you guys heard Tina? Save the lights for yourself, keep the dark for your parents. DJ, let's get another song. Let's go, we gotta dance. You are not getting a gift card until you dance with Tina. Anybody see all the details? Alright, we got 2 more. Alright, let's go, you guys gotta dance.
Alright, we're changing a song again. You guys are putting my DJ to work. Oh, you guys don't got Chief inside. Let's give it up for Kingston. Okay, Kingston, where'd you get your move from? Alright, who's next? What do you guys want to dance to? Dance songs? Okay. We're going to try one more time. There we go. Let's give it up for Noah. Go ahead, Noah. Dance all the way to Tanasia. If you got to go first, from top. Alright, all the kids stay inside, stay inside. Okay, our DJ's gonna play this last song. This is for everybody to dance. Okay? All our little kids, big kids, all the kids, every kid. Okay, we're gonna play one song. We can our DJ to play this one song and then we're gonna dance and continue on. Alright, we'll play this last song. Everybody dance.
Keep
Wait, what?